Okay, so for the washer and the dryer, you're gonna find that in the garage. There's a light right as you walk in. And you got washer here, dryer here. You'll open it up, throw it all in. You'll open this up here. You're welcome to use our soap. It's this one right here. And for, let's see, some good ones to know. Normal is a pretty kind of typical wash load. You've got a speed wash, which will be done in 15 minutes. So if you're looking to get something done quick, and then delicates for underwears, that sort of thing. And those are the most used. And then for the dryer, similarly, you've got normal, which is pretty typical, delicates, and then you've got a speed dry. You can change the temperature, the dry level, all of that here. And then we like to do, there's little balls like these that we put in the dryer, and we just put a little bit of lavender on that, a couple drops, and we throw it in. And that's it.